Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan guys and you're trying to find the fuses for the ignition switch guys, the ignition circuit. Stay with us. We'll explain where the ignition switch fuses is located. Actually you may have up to two, so we'll cover all that today. If you guys need to buy new fuses, parts, tools, anything for your Volkswagen Tiguan, check out the link in the description of the video guys and you will see where we get all our tools, parts from, fuses as well guys, for a really good price. Now before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically guys on Volkswagen Tiguan we'll have even more than that. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. First we need to go ahead and open the hood on that Volkswagen Tiguan so we can get actually to the fuses for the ignition switch. Now guys, right here this is your fuse box. It's located next to your car battery. How you open, slide this thing forward, lift up on this side and it comes out. Pretty simple. Almost most Volkswagens that here are made actually that way. Now in most cases guys, the fuse numbers will go like that. You will have guys fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and they keep going this way. But some of the fuses are actually a little bit mismatched. For instance, you have fuse number 25, 26 all the way over here, so you have to be careful when you check things guys. The first fuse guys that we need to check, but before we start let me tell you something guys. Let's say you pull a fuse and you check it out, you grab one and you check it out, but sometimes you cannot tell for sure if the fuse is good or not. We have a special video that explains how to test the fuse and know for 100% guys if the fuse is good or not. That way you don't have to waste more money on parts, sensors and things like that. So I'll put the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. So the fuse guys that we need to check is fuse number number 7, this one right here, fuse number 7 for ignition switch. It's a 25 amp fuse guys, 25 amp fuse. Right here, this is the fuse. Ours is good guys. Now if you want to see how to test it, I'll put the link in the description of the video. This is the first fuse that you need to check, but then you guys have one more fuse, which is humongous fuse, and this one will be fuse number 30 guys. Fuse number 30, it will be this mega fuse that I'm talking about right here. So that fuse is actually for the ignition switch as well, and this mega fuse, we have the link where we buy ours from. They're more affordable because if you go to the parts store, most of the times those things will be super expensive. So these two fuses guys control actually the ignition circuit guys and the ignition switch. Now we guys have a special video that explains all the fuses for the engine computer and engine management. If your car doesn't start, it could be one of those as well, and you can find it under engine computer fuse for Volkswagen Tiguan. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.